2. Weather. Hello buddies. Weather is one of the fundamental processes that shapes the earth. It is the state of the atmosphere to the degree that it is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy. Weather is driven by the pressure differences of air between one place and another. These pressure and temperature differences can occur due to the sun angle at any particular spot, which varies by latitude from the tropics. Weather forecasting is the application of science and technology to predict the state of the atmosphere for a future time and a given location. In this lesson, you will learn about the weather and its effects.
2. Weather. It's very interesting to watch the weather every day. Some days are hot and some cold. Sometimes it rains and sometimes it's calm. Sometimes it's cloudy and sometimes it's dry. The weather never remains the same. It changes from hour to hour and from day to day. Our lives are affected by weather. How was the weather yesterday? Have you ever wondered about what causes these changes?
In a single day at time, it's sunny in the morning, cloudy by afternoon, it rains in the evening and is calm once again at night. These changes are due to the sun, wind, clouds and rain.
Activities 1. Make a weather record for a week. Fill up the table given below. 2. Listen to the weather news every day on television. Record your observation. The sun. The sun gives us heat and light. In the morning and evening, the rays of the sun fall slantingly. It is not very warm because the sun is on one side. At noon, the sun is overhead and the rays fall vertically. That is why noontime is the hottest part of the day. After sunset, no heat or light comes. Heat and light from the sun make the day warm and bright. Nights are cool. Shadows during parts of a day. The clouds. Clouds bring us rain. Cloudy days are cooler than sunny days. This is because the sky is covered with clouds and the sun rays cannot reach us. Clouds. The wind. Movement of air is called wind. When the winds blow softly, it is called breeze. Strong winds are called storms. Very strong winds cause many damages. These can uproot trees and bring about kacha houses. Wind also affects the weather. During summer, winds are very hot. During winter, winds are very cold. Damage caused by storms. The rain. What a pleasant smell when the first shower falls on dry soil. Some clouds bring rain. When it rains, earth is cooled and plants get water. But too much rain can cause floods. Floods cause damage to property and harm living things. Raining. The water cycle. Water evaporates from the oceans, rivers lakes, and ponds by the heat of the sun. The water vapor formed moves upwards. The water vapor in the air cools and forms clouds. As the clouds cool further, it condensed in the form of rain. The rainwater then flows down to the ponds, lakes, rivers, and finally to the oceans. In turn, the water of oceans evaporates into the atmosphere to form clouds. After going through many changes, water comes back to the point of its start. The cycle is called water cycle. Water cycle. Clouds, rain, water, clouds, water vapor, evaporation, sun, sun rays. Weather affects our daily life. When the weather remains the same for a period of time, it is called a season. Different weather conditions mark different seasons. We have four seasons in our country. Activity. Make a list of clothes do you wear in summer, rainy, and winter seasons. In summer, at what time you will get up? What type of drinks would you like to drink when it is very hot? The water cycle. Water evaporates from the oceans, rivers, lakes, and ponds by the heat of the sun. The water vapor formed moves upwards. Summer season. This season is the warmest of all the seasons. In summer, the days are longer, very warm and dry, while the nights are shorter. We like to sit in a cool room under a fan. Some of us use coolers. We wear light and cotton clothes. Cotton clothes keep us cool. We like to drink cool drinks and have ice cream. Watermelons and melons are very juicy and contain a lot of water. Other fruits are mangoes and lychees. Summer season. Rainy season. The rainy season is very welcome after the hot summer. It is also called monsoon season. We love to watch the heavy dark monsoon clouds in the sky. When it is not raining, the weather becomes hot, still, and sticky, and we sweat a lot. Plants grow well in this season, but sometimes heavy rains cause floods. These floods cause damage to crops, houses, and lives. People use raincoats, umbrellas in rainy season. During rainy season, water may collect in ponds and puddles. Many flies and mosquitoes breed in them. They bite us and cause many diseases. Rainy season is not very healthy. Rainy season. Winter season. In winter, the days are shorter and cold, while the nights are longer and also very cold. To protect ourselves against cold, we wear woolen clothes, coats, and stockings. We take hot tea, coffee, or milk. In some cold parts of our country, people light fires to keep themselves warm. We get fruits and vegetables such as apples, oranges, cabbage, cauliflower, carrot, and radish during winter. Winter season.
The lives of animals and plants are also affected by the change of seasons.
Let's revise the important points. 1. Weather changes from hour to hour and day to day. 2. Weather depends on the sun, wind, clouds, and rain. 3. Sunny days are warmer than cloudy days. 4. Our lives are affected by weather. 5. In most parts of our country, there are four seasons: summer, rainy, winter, and spring seasons. 6. The lives of animals and plants are also affected by the change of seasons.